Good afternoon from the flight deck. Your Emirates A380 is ready to roll out for departure. Expect a smooth climb and a beautiful Dubai sunset ahead. Ground control cleared us to the runway. Cabin crew, secure the cabin for departure.
Setting takeoff thrust. Engines stable. Let's take this giant into the sky.
80 knots. V1. Rotate.
Positive climb. Gear up. Perfect liftoff.
Aviation lovers, tell me which airline you want to see next. I'll fly it for you.
Seems like we've got a fan out here too.